The story you are about to see is real and deeply concerns every American. Take an area the size of New England. Shift it more than 10,000 miles away. Put dense jungles, high mountains, narrow coastal plains, large swamps, and a broad river delta on it. There you have the setting. Some 15 million people with ancient culture. 95% are lowlanders of northern origin, but intermingled with other immigrants from the surrounding areas. And the balance, highlanders of confused racial mixtures. There you have the cast. And the time is now. But what is America's part in this story? Perhaps we may find the answer in the ringing words of Franklin Delano Roosevelt. There is a mysterious cycle in human events. To some generation, much is given. Of other generations, much is expected. This generation of Americans has a rendezvous with destiny. And we have come to another rendezvous, this time in Vietnam. The origin of this rendezvous is complex. It begins perhaps in 1863, when the first province of what is now Vietnam was annexed by France. Within 20 years, the whole of modern Vietnam had become a French protectorate. The urge for national independence, which never died, emerged in force towards the end of World War II, and the communists took advantage of it. Thus, the returning French army found itself engaged in another war. But this was a war without front lines, and to many soldiers, seemingly a war without end. But on May 7th, 1954, with the fall of Dien Bien Phu, the so-called Indochina War did come to an end, a termination which left the new nation divided between a communist North and an anti-communist South.